So we'll be using the datetime module over here. So let's see the current date and time. Datetime dot datetime dot now, and then let's print x. So it will give the current date and time. So I want to see the current year. So x dot year. So this will give the current year. So there is a method that is strf time. Okay. So we can use certain codes like %a. So this will give the current weekday, that is Tuesday. So if I use capital A, it will give the full name of the day. So if I print like W, so it will give the weekday. So you can see Sunday is 0, Monday 1, Tuesday is 2. Similarly, we can use D for the date. So you can see date is been printed. We can also use B. So this will give the month. So if you use capital B, it will give the full name of the month. Okay. So similarly, let's use small m, and you can see here it is giving the month. So let's use Y. So Y will give 23, that is the current year. So if I use capital Y, it will give 2023. Similarly, let's use H. So this will give the time in hour, that is 7 p.m. Similarly, we will be using I. So this will give 7. Okay. And then let me put P. So this will give AM and PM. So currently it is 7 p.m. So it is giving PM. And now let's use M. So I have given capital M. So it is giving the minute, that is 51. So now let's assign a new date. So I am going to put x is equals datetime dot datetime, and I am going to put the date as 2023, and let's put the month as 6, and let's put the date as 1. So here I am going to use the same strf method, strf time, and I am going to just want to see the current month. So capital B. So it will give the full name of the month, that is June.